Good afternoon, students. Today, I am going to discuss with you the project explanations, the topic which I have given for the project topic, that how you will make. Many students gave me call also. They asked me also. I told them, explained them. But then overall today I will tell you how to make your history project of class 8. Now listen carefully. First of all, your project topic is what given? Your project topic is given that make or collect pictures related to the revolt of 1857. Okay, related to the revolt of 1857, and also write about the events related to the picture. What picture you are giving? You have to, how many pictures you are putting there? That is also students are telling me how many I can put. Not more than 5, because related to that events also na you are writing. So 4 or 5 pictures. And some students were having also doubt. I am telling very clearly, the doubts might be common doubts for all the students. Students are asking, miss, in this time we are not able to go out, so how we will do this on the chart paper? Photos print out you are not able to take. No problem, small photos you can draw also related to the event. You can all write the event's name also. Name also you can mention. Photos you can make also, or if you have a printing facility you can take it. No problem. But marking, the discrimination will not be there. If you are making in hand and you are doing printing will be more. No, don't think that. You make also, it will be equal. If print out photo is also related to the event, it's okay. Decorate the project nicely, plus you have to write related to the event. Now, related to the events, when you are writing, first of all, students are asking, miss, how to relate the events of 1857 revolt. So in the next chapter also, after this rise of British power in Bengal, we are entering in your portion also, it is there, revolt of 1857. In that also very familiar topics you will get. Suppose I am giving you 2-3 topics. Example, it's just an example. You can give your own also, own events, own views, because it is your project. For example, I am taking one topic, that is economic causes. Economic causes was one of the major cause. Political cause, many causes were there for the rise of the revolt of 1857. You can give any events, any economic event, any cause, economic cause related any event. Suppose the torture which was done on the farmers, the peasants, you can give a snap photo related to that. The peasants are working in the field and the British officials are standing there, ruling them, ordering them, that type of picturization. And then you will explain the problems faced by the farmers. In economic cause, in your book also some events, they have explained that the landlords suffered a lot from the sense of insecurity. There were many peasants who were ruled by the zamindars, and under the zamindari system they were having huge debt of loans. They were not able to pay back the loans, the taxes. Okay, related to the event, little bit details, not many details, a little bit related to the picture, some few details you write about the event, that what is the event related and how this event affected the revolt of 1857 and that picture. Suppose political cause or any one cause you can put. Immediate cause, military cause you can put. In military cause, Enfield rifle use, Enfield rifle picture you can give, the Enfield rifles, the picture you can give, and then you can write about it, how it affected in the revolt of 1857. So in this way you give your beautiful ideas. Not more than 4-5 events you can give, because the project work 4-5 events is sufficient. You can give related to the revolt of 1857. Okay, and one more thing I wanted to discuss, that students are asking, miss, how we will design it and how we are going to pay. Suppose when you are doing your work on the chart paper, first of all you are giving the topic, Okay. Then you are giving the subheading, whatever subheading related to the topic. Then you are pasting the picture here. In the below the picture, you will write that this picture is related to which event. Event name should be given. Related to which event this particular picture is, and here you will write little word details. Detail about that picture. Similarly, next picture you will paste. In a chart paper you can do. Half chart paper also sufficient. Half chart paper you will do. Small pictures also you can paste, or you can take the full size of the chart. In chart paper you can do, no problem. In chart paper also you can do, no problem. In half chart paper also you can do, no problem. Okay, in that you can paste the picture. Some students are asking me, miss, in A4 size also paper we can make. You will take 4-5 according to the event wise A4 size paper. One A4 size, in that you will paste the picture below detail. Then again next A4 size paper, you can combine it, clip up in a file pattern also. Okay, so in your way you decorate the project work. Topic is 1857 revolt. In the next lesson also you will get lot of ideas when I will be explaining you. Then also for the beginning part I am telling you how to start thinking, how designing it the project, that paste the picture related to the event, economic cause, political cause, military cause, socio-religious causes, how people were forced to adapt Christianity, discrimination among the people, blacks and whites, Britishers how used to behave with the Indians as slaves, some pictures related to that event. Pictures related to the event you can paste it and write on this. Few lines, not more than that. This was particular event related to the rise of the revolt of 1857. Okay, this all cases you can do. Revolt of 1857, that Mangal Pandey case also you can do. In Barakpur one case was mentioned. All I will tell you the details, not now, because when I will continue the lesson, so we will do it. But for today I am giving you this project explanation for the doubts to clear for the students. Like this way you will design the project. You can write in chart paper also, you can write in half chart paper also, you can paste the pictures, half 2 sides you can take. Okay, and you can take A4 size paper, 3-4 sheets you can take, paste pictures in different sheet, and below the picture write the details picture, like this you can do. Thank you. In this way you will do the project. And we are continuing with the lesson till now, that rise of British power in Bengal. In this way we are doing the lesson, continuing it. And you will get the worksheets also. More worksheets are going to come. The starting part I have given till now. Thank you.